I'm going to get my hiccup medicine because hiccup.
Hiccup?
Hiccup.
Yeah. Oh, you got the hiccups. You need to drink some water. Upside down while holding your breath and spinning and counting to 50. Oh. Yeah, that's what I do when I had the hiccups. I go upside down, I drink some water, I count to 10, and I do a spin. And then I hop on the tip of my tail for 3 seconds. And then I roll around on my back.
Do it for starters.
Okay, so I go. Okay. Yeah. So when I have the hiccups, I go upside down, right? And then I drink some water, and then I count to 10, and I do a spin. Okay, and then I flip over and then spin on my tail, and then I roll around on my back for no reason, and then I kind of jump up off my back, like kind of bouncing up and down like that, and then yeah, it doesn't seem to be working, and then I squiggle around. I'm a little squirbeling and a little gerbling. Oh man. Okay, so you drink more water upside down while spinning again. Yeah, that'll do the trick right there. That'll do it. Oh man. Okay, now try spinning on your tail again while juggling marbles and drawing a monkey. And while also eating a sandwich and growing a grapevine from a seed, and then also trimming your grass and hedges while spinning on your tail. Yes. Right. Yes, and then also paint a painting. But it has to be a masterpiece. It can't just be a regular painting. It has to be a masterpiece. Yeah. And then, right, and then go to the bathroom, right, while also eating and drinking and painting and spinning on your tail and reciting the Declaration of Independence. Yes. And then that should do it. I mean, by that point, your hiccups have probably gone. Well, then you have a problem. That's one of those things that just cannot be fixed.
Hiccup! The loudest hiccup ever.
Well, then you got a real problem. Your hiccups may not be fixable. Look on your face.
I still have hiccups and I'm out of water.
Well, that's because somebody.
No, me.
I know. Yeah, that's what I was going to say. Is that's because somebody who I won't name, but is probably behind the camera, keeps making you laugh, and that's not really helping the situation because you always laugh whenever you get the hiccups. It's because you're laughing, and somebody keeps making you laugh, and you're probably not helping because you're also making yourself laugh. So. I'm gonna, stop making you laugh so that your hiccups will go away.
Mom.